Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Microsoft Power BI Pro but don't want to spend money right away, there's a simple and legal way to get it for free. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access the free or trial version of Power BI Pro. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft 365. Log in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. It's completely free. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Products tab. Click on See All Apps and Services. Scroll down until you find Power BI and click on it. Now you'll be taken to Power BI's main page. Here, go to the Pricing or Plans section. You'll see several options: Free, Pro, Premium, and more. To get started at no cost, you have two choices. Option 1. Use the free Power BI version. Just click Start Free and follow the setup steps. This gives you access to reports and analytics, perfect for learning. Option 2. Get the Power BI Pro free trial. If you want all the advanced features, sharing options, and full collaboration tools, look for the Start Free Trial button under Power BI Pro. Microsoft usually offers a 60-day full access trial, so you can use all Pro features without paying anything. Just follow the prompts, complete the setup, and your Power BI Pro trial will activate instantly. And that's it. You now have access to Power BI, either the free version or the full Pro trial, and you can start creating beautiful dashboards and powerful data reports right away. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.